Hey, welcome to another episode of Teespring Talk. I'm Kate, your community manager here at Teespring. So if you didn't know, we've got Black Friday and Cyber Monday just around the corner, and they are going to be huge selling days on Teespring. That means you will definitely want to prepare your own promotions or discounts to offer during this weekend. This year, Black Friday falls on November 29th, and Cyber Monday will take place on December 2nd. Keep in mind you can offer 3 different types of promotions with Teespring. You can offer free shipping, a specific discount amount like $2, or a percentage discount like 10% off. Last year, the most successful promo type was the percentage discount that was used during the 2018 Black Friday Cyber Monday weekend. And don't forget that sellers who offer discounts and promotions tend to see a 60% increase in conversions. So let's take a quick refresher course on how to create promotions with Teespring and how you can use them to drive the most sales possible during the 2019 Black Friday Cyber Monday weekend.
There are 5 steps you can take that will help you run a successful sale. The first is to plan a sales schedule. Then create your promo codes. Next, you'll prepare promotional assets. Then you'll draft promotional posts and emails. And last, you'll promote your sale. Ultimately, your goal is to 1, make sure that all of your audience knows a sale is coming up, and 2, drive as many purchases as possible during the sale. Keep in mind this guide can be used at any time, not just during the holidays. And I'll include a link in the description of this video where you can get more details on each step as well as links to the tools I mentioned in the video. So let's go ahead and jump in. First, you'll need to determine your sales schedule. Do you want to run several sales or one big one? The most successful Teespring sellers tend to run sales throughout the year, and especially during November and December. Last year, promo code usage began to increase around 2 weeks before Black Friday, and significantly spiked around 3 days before Black Friday began. Earlier, I mentioned that running a sale can increase your conversion rates by up to 60%. But last year, sellers who offered a discount on products during Cyber Weekend saw their conversion rates double. If you're running pre-sales leading up to Cyber Weekend, then the key thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to offer the same type of promotion for both events. So for example, you can offer free shipping during your pre-sale and then drop prices and offer a % discount during your Black Friday sale. So in conclusion, for this first step, you need to decide what type of promotions you'll offer and when they'll be available. Make sure to write down your sales schedule so you can reference it in steps 2 through 5. Now that we have our sales schedule, we can create our promo codes within our Teespring account. Keep in mind that you can turn the promo code's active status to on or off instantly. This allows us to create our promotional assets ahead of time without the risk of anyone being able to use the promo code until we're ready. It's notable that during Black Friday last year, the % discount was the most popular promotion offered and generated the most sales during Cyber Weekend. You can check out our in-depth video tutorial for more details on how to create promo codes with Teespring. Once your promo codes are ready, go ahead and add them to your sales schedule doc. You'll want to take note of the sale dates, the discount you're offering, and the promo code itself. Next, let's use the promo codes to create our promotional assets. Websites like canva.com and Placeit have tons of graphic templates you can customize and download. And the best part is you don't need any graphic design skills in order to use them. Placeit also offers video intros, end cards, and banner designs you can use on your YouTube channel too. Whenever creating sale assets, you should be sure to include the sale dates, the discount you're offering, and most importantly, the promo code. Plan to create assets that you can share on social media and through email. Keep in mind that photos of yourself or of your customers wearing your products can be great promotional images and drive tons of engagement when shared online. You can visit the listings section of your Teespring account if you want to order a sample of your own products. And you should consider creating a promotional video in order to promote your sale. And last, don't forget that you can optimize your storefront banner by customizing the banner with information about your sale. Now let's draft our social media posts and emails that we'll share with our audience. Don't forget, you can use Teespring's buyer message tool to email past customers and turn them into repeat shoppers. This is a great tool to use when you're running a sale. But something to keep in mind as we draft this content is that you don't want to tell your shoppers about an upcoming sale too far in advance, because this can actually discourage them from purchasing until your sale begins. So you'll want to wait to share promo codes and information about your sale until about 1 to 2 days ahead of time, and only activate your promo code on the day that the sale starts. If you don't want to share your promo code ahead of time, that's fine. You can just advise your audience to keep an eye out on social media or on their email inbox for the promo code the day the sale begins. As you draft this content, also consider asking followers and customers to share photos once they receive their order. This is a good way to collect user-generated content and leverage social proof for the next time you want to run a sale in the future. Last but not least, it's time to start promoting. Spread the word about your upcoming sale and remind shoppers to take advantage of your special offer. Now it's time to follow the sales schedule you created, activate your promo codes when the sale starts, share your promotional content, and watch the orders roll in.
And that concludes today's episode of Teespring Talk. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget that you can head to the Teespring blog and the training center if you want to learn more about promotions and also find examples of how other sellers are using them to drive sales. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.